Welcome to this episode of The State of the Escritoire. Well, I've got a lot of videos to release before you guys see this one. I've got my Nemiso review I've already recorded. I've got to, edit that. I've got to finish editing Q3D's video. I've got to finish editing an unboxing video. So you guys are going to see like 3 or 4 videos before you actually see this one. Anyway, in this video, it's cool because I just literally wrapped up the interview minutes ago with River City Pen Company. Rich was awesome. It was really nice to talk to him. And B, I just got our next sponsor package from Brownie. And this one's going to be a big one. He is sending quite a few pens here. All right, so we're going to be opening this bad boy with our Benchmade Freak. And I'm opening it upside down so that way nobody sees all of our info. I was too lazy to take the shipping label off, so we're going in from the bottom. All right, we got some nice little leather in here. Oh, must be a pen holder. Pen case, right? I mean, he sent us a bunch of pens, so here we go. That's a nice case. What's it say? Looks like LL Nucia. I'll have to double check that. Cool. Before we do anything else, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Looks pretty good. I'm thinking these were probably just for packing, just to make sure it didn't roll around too much. So, okay, cool. All right, well, let's jump on in, shall we? Oh, well, before we do, let's get our area ready, right? Like my granddad taught me. All right, we'll get our place to put the pens, although I guess we can put them right back in here. But this way you get to see them. All right, so we got a zipper here. First off, let's take a look at the case, front and back. There we go. I'm assuming the zipper's going to be on the top. No, I guess I shouldn't assume that because the emblem is there. All right, so I'm just going to sit this flat so I don't mess anything up. It's definitely a nice material. Oh, wow. Let's just flip that around. Ooh, I don't want to fold it all the way down, so... Wow. Oh, no way. Oh, super cool. You just heard my enthusiasm because I saw a pen or two that I was looking forward to. Let's see. Mike, hi. Here are the pens and nibs in order from left to right. An F3 pocket pen in Turnt Midnight Oil. And let's take them out from left to right. So this is F3 pocket pen here. Oh, cool. Whoa, that's tiny. Little pocket pen. Yeah, they're not kidding. Cool resin up there. And then it's big ink window there. Nice. Good job, F3. Oh, nice. All right. Now this is going to take the cake. I got to zoom in. Da, 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 da. This is like an internet meme. I think it was called Dick Butt. And it is a... this is a custom nib they had made because us men are silly. Oh, man, Brownie. That's hilarious. This is a male appendage with a rear end where the balls would be with another male appendage sticking out. So, Dick Butt. Anyway, that's pretty epic. Makes me laugh, Brownie. Good job. All right, so that's funny. We'll put that, actually, yeah, we'll put that there for now. Okay, our next one is a Pelican Ino, if I'm saying that right, with a medium nib. This thing's tiny. Feels like a metal. Feels like, I don't know, maybe aluminum? I don't think it's titanium. It feels like I shouldn't be doing that. Maybe it's a pull. Yep, there it is. Okay. Oh, it's a small nib. Pelican, huh? Nice. I'll have to check that out. See what kind of metal it is. There. Huh, okay, so that's a cartridge. I wonder if it'll take a converter too. That's a big cartridge, man. That is no joke. The cartridge, I can feel it's under spring pressure too, which is unique and interesting. Okay. Doesn't look like there's any facets to the cap where you can only put it in one way, so I should just be able to cap it. There we go. Nice solid capping there. All right, our next one is a Kaweco. I think that's how you say it. Special. This is a brand I see a lot online. A lot of people love this brand. Germany. They make good stuff. Got the seal up there. Oh, again, this one looks like a snap cap. No, maybe. I feel like I'm unscrewing the body here. Yeah, that's definitely the body. Let's take a look. All right, so there's a little converter. Gonna put that guy back together there. Oh, that's a tiny converter too. Oh, yep. That's the sport. The Kaweco sport model is the one I always see online. So people are talking about. Okay, so this has got to be a pull off then, huh? No. I'm like scared, Brownie. I don't want to hurt your stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that one to the side for now until I figure that one out. Yeah, I don't want to pull it too hard. All right, so I'm gonna ask you about that one. All right, our next one is, I'd rather be safe than sorry, right? I don't want to manhandle something and break something. I'd rather just wait and ask you if it's a little bit tight. All right, so this, I mean, looks like a, what do we got here? A Pilot, okay. So this one is a Pilot Custom 92 with a broad nib. I've got a couple other Pilot pens. You know, the 743. My Vanishing Points I obviously love. That's a Pilot original nib too. Cool. Definitely a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter than some of my other pens. Let's check out. Our next one is an Opus 88. Oh, nice. This was, I've got a couple of friends that I've talked to about these. These are pretty well renowned, pretty well liked. If you saw our interview with Jason Miller, he actually talks about the Opus 88 kind of being one of his inspirations for, you know, eyedroppering and such. So look at that nib too. Oh, he put a Visconti nib on there, huh? Visconti medium nib. That's cool. I wonder what kind of 14 karat. Nice. It's unique because, I mean, you can still see through it, you know what I mean? So it's almost like a pseudo ink window there. You got that O-ring for eyedroppering. Cool. Okay, so we got our Opus 88 there. Let's try and keep them in order here. Okay, next up we've got, what is this one? The Hong Dion Year of the Rabbit with the long knife. Wow. I like that base color too. You can see their maker's mark there. It feels like it's engraved. So this, oh yeah, look at that cool rabbit. Year of the Rabbit, right? That's very cool. It does feel to me like it's engraved. We're going in. With a long knife nib. Oh yeah, no, that's not the butterfly. Look up close, look up close. I'm gonna zoom in. That's cool. It's a matching nib there. Okay. Let's go for our next one. Our next one is going to be the Pilot Custom 74 with a music nib. Oh, nice. Okay. So this is very similar to the 743, except this one, wow, man, this is going to have a music nib. I've actually wanted to try a music nib too. I've been looking at them. Oh, wow, look at that. That'll be fun. New, nice, fun nib. Huh. I'm excited to try that one too. Take a look. Cool. I'm excited to try all these. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be busy for like a month or two, man, with all these pens. Whew. All right. Oh, a Visconti. Visconti is like, I have never tried a Visconti. This is like, you know, a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Visconti type thing. So I've always, you know, one of my grails is the lava pen that they make, the Homo sapiens bronze, I think it is. But I've wanted to try Visconti, so this was awesome. Nice spring clip. He asked me if I did want to try anything in particular. I didn't say anything because I just appreciate someone, you know, donating pens for me to review. But then he was like, do you want to try a Visconti? And I jumped at it. I was like, yes, with like all caps, you know what I mean? So thank you. Oh, wow. It's got that quarter turn. Oh, so easy and smooth. And this one, what's it got? It has the, oh, palladium nib. Oh, nice. I've tried some palladium nibs with Erin. I tried 2 of her pens, Erin over at the Joy and Pens and Paper, and I found I really do enjoy the palladium nib, so that's going to be cool. Although, oh, I love this cap, man. Oh, that cap is, I could just do that. That's sexy. All right, let's go on to the next one. A Lamy Ion, if I'm saying that right. Ion. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a cool blue. Feels kind of like a metal. It kind of free spins, so I'm assuming this is a, yep, pull off. Huh, I really like the blue. Lamy. Check out that nib too. That'll be a neat one. Yeah, that blue is really stunning. This would be a great like office pen to take out too. Look at that. That'll look good in meetings. I'm not going to actually bring these into work, so don't worry. All right, our next one. What do we got? Waterman. A Waterman Hemisphere, huh? Old style with medium cursive italic nib. Nice, I like the nib. Cursive italic, cool. Oh, sorry, I think I took it off the screen while I'm busy looking at it. I'm so excited. Waterman. Unique nib. Waterman is one of the old school players. They're not as well known for the pens like they used to be, but dude, back in, you go back 100 years or so, and Waterman was like, whew, big, one of the big players. Anyway, let's go on to the next one. We've got a Navalar. That's a nice one. This is the Navalar Original Plus with a broad nib. That nice big ink window there. Cool. Check out that engraving on the nib there. Awesome. Wow, we're like running out of room here. Well, we've got our last one. A Karas Custom V2 in Ultim with a Bach double broad. Cool. Wow, man. Like I said, I'm gonna be busy for like 2 months with all these, man. I'm gonna get the other folks' packages out. So Hellcat, I know we talked about it. We're gonna be trying to anodize the knock on your Otmog. So I'll keep the Otmog, and I feel bad holding all your stuff this long. I've already reviewed everything. I got to get you your tactile turn pen. So I'm going to keep the Otmog Hellcat, and I'm going to send everything else back. What else can I get you? I'll get you another treat or two in there. I know you're a big Batman fan too, so I'm going to put in Batman Tales of the Demon. Yeah, this is the original first appearances of Ra's al Ghul, who is now one of the kind of cornerstones of the Batman universe, or mythos, if you will. And I'll toss another treat or two in there for you. I'll get you some Cadbury eggs too, my man, because you you mentioned you wanted some of those Cadbury eggs. All right, this is a nice case too. I'll have to do should do a mini review of this case even. Pretty sweet. All right, guys. Check out all the new pens we have for review, courtesy of Brownie. Thank you, Brownie. Thank you much. And by the time you guys see this, like I said, there's a couple videos I gotta edit and get out first. So by the time you guys see this, I'll probably have already gotten some good use out of 1 or 2 of these. But here we go. Awesome. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon, guys. Thank you again for taking the time to check out our channel. Tell me which pen you're most excited for, and then you'll get to see your favorite pen's review a month before the rest. So, all right, guys, leave a comment. Let me know which pen you want me to do first or second, or which one looks the coolest to you, and we will see you soon.